Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Tractor Talks. Today, we are going to explore one of the most powerful, advanced, and reliable tractors in the farming industry, the Massey Ferguson 2025 model. Whether you are a seasoned farmer, an agricultural engineer, or someone passionate about smart farming technology, this video will provide valuable insights into why Massey Ferguson continues to lead the way in the global tractor market. The 2025 model brings a fresh update to Massey Ferguson's legacy of strength, efficiency, and cutting-edge innovation. With over a century of engineering expertise behind it, this tractor is built not only for performance but for comfort, productivity, and adaptability in the modern age. The Massey Ferguson 2025 model is powered by a high-performance diesel engine, designed to deliver optimal torque and horsepower while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. This engine supports high-end agricultural applications such as plowing, tilling, seeding, spraying, and hauling. What sets it apart is its ability to function efficiently even in the most challenging terrains, whether you're working in dry fields, wet soil, or hilly regions. This model comes with a highly efficient cooling system, improved air filtration, and a strong transmission setup, which ensures uninterrupted operation during long working hours. Let's talk about the design. The new 2025 Massey Ferguson model has been engineered with a more ergonomic layout. The driver's seat is now more comfortable, with vibration reduction and suspension support, allowing farmers to work for extended periods without fatigue. The controls are intuitively positioned, providing ease of operation even for beginners. The dashboard features a digital display that keeps you informed about engine performance, fuel levels, and maintenance alerts in real time. This smart interface is a big leap forward in tractor intelligence, making it ideal for modern farms that rely on data and precision. From a structural perspective, this tractor is built using high-grade steel, which not only enhances its durability but also ensures long-term reliability under heavy loads. Its large rear tires provide excellent grip and stability, especially during field work. The front axle is strong enough to support a variety of front-end attachments like loaders or hydraulic implements, giving this tractor multi-purpose utility. Moreover, the rear linkage system supports Category I and II implements, allowing compatibility with a wide range of farming equipment. Now, let's go deeper into its technical specifications. The 2025 Massey Ferguson tractor is available in multiple horsepower options, ranging from 50 HP to 75 HP, depending on the model variant. It is equipped with an 8F-Jor 2R or 12F-Jor 4R constant mesh gearbox, ensuring smooth gear shifting and easy speed control. The dual clutch system further enhances the tractor's responsiveness and makes it easy to engage implements while on the move. Braking is made safer and more reliable with oil-immersed disc brakes, while the power steering system ensures easy maneuverability in tight spaces or during extended field operations. One of the key highlights of the 2025 model is its fuel efficiency. Massey Ferguson has worked hard to ensure that this tractor delivers maximum performance with minimal fuel consumption, which is crucial in today's farming economy. With its large fuel tank capacity, you can complete a full day's work without the need for frequent refueling. In addition, the tractor is also environment-friendly, meeting the latest emission standards, which is becoming increasingly important in many countries. Another standout feature is the advanced hydraulics. This tractor has a high lift capacity, which means it can easily handle heavy-duty implements such as rotavators, cultivators, disc harrows, and trailers. The hydraulic controls are precise and easy to operate, giving